What's going on, family? As you can see, we are in a different garage. We are back in Chi-Town. We moved from Virginia to Chicago. Like what about almost like what? Almost been about a year. Almost been about a year. I know I told y'all I was gonna keep coming with the videos. I know what I told y'all. I'm sorry. Alright? Life gets you. Okay? So this is a massive update. Okay? Basically, she is about good to go. So I don't have any more work to do to show right now to show you all. But what I am gonna do, I'm gonna go over all the points that we kind of left off on. Alright? So while I'm going over these parts, I'm not gonna go over in depth. But if you like something, you want to see me elaborate more on it, please leave that in the comment section down below. And while you at it, go ahead and give us a like and a follow. All right, that ain't too hard to ask. It's just another click, another tap, another scribble scribe. All right, so go ahead and do that. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna basically run over what we have. Well, what do we have left? What do we have left? Got to make the intercooler piping. That's number one. Have to cap off the evap system. That's number two. Have to run the water lines for the turbo. Even though you don't have to, I'm just doing it for peace of mind because this will be tracked. So just to keep those turbo temps at a nice, steady, you know what I'm saying, cool temp. That, what else? I think that's about it. Oh, get this all buttoned up. But that's at a later date. So we're gonna come in. This is gonna be version 1. All right. There's gonna be several different iterations of this vehicle. So just getting on started. This is gonna be version 1. This is gonna get us down to the Dragon in that September time frame. All right. Because I do plan on taking this to the Dragon this year. Just like not like a shakedown, but you know I usually try to hit the Dragon every year. I missed out the last 3. You know why. But enough talking. Let's go ahead and let's get to showing off some nice pretty bits or whatever. All right. Bam. All right. So now I think I showed you all the hood latches. Yeah, these are, since I got rid of that hood latch, these are the hood latches that we have now. So here we go. Here is the meat and potatoes. Like I said, this is the fully built K24. Well, not fully built because it's not sleeved, so I can't really say fully built. But everything else has been touched in this block. Everything, every little bit and piece has been touched. It has a K20 Type S oil pump. Got the K-Miata, got the 2200cc injectors in the Aquity fuel rail. They make some good quality parts. I ain't even gonna lie. Got that nice Speed Factory 3-inch. Right? Was it 3 inches, 3.5? One of the two in the front. Like I said, I was running the V-mount setup. Got the nice little Pulsar turbo baby sitting right there. Yeah, got the new wire harness. You know, that took a while to come in, but you know, we got it in. So, all right. So, one thing that I kind of, went and did are these little T-fittings. You feel me? So what these T-fittings allow me to do is to tap into the heater core hoses to run to the actual turbo to do a water cool session. So the one that's coming off the block back there will hit this side and then return to the actual cooling lines. So that's that. Like I said, we relocated the battery and the fuse box. The fuse box is now underneath the seat. Well, not underneath the seat, but at the passenger feet well. Oh, my EGT sensors. You like that? Yeah. We're going to be good with those. So EGT sensors, basically that's it for up front. The Renegade not catch can. Fucking overflow tank. That is a beaut. That there is a beaut. Got the Radium competition catch can. And that's pretty fucking huge. That's pretty fucking huge. Other than that, that's I think you all have seen it already. So that was just a little update. Oh, the oil cooler. Yeah, that's in. That's nice. All plumbed up. Yep, that's nice. I gotta make sure I do some heat management with these wires and shit, so those don't fucking melt off. Turbo blanket, wrapping the downpipe, all it. That's coming. That's coming. But not to like get the vehicle running or anything. Got the Voltex from bumper. You know, got that. Got the J's fenders rocking. TL, Acura TL brakes. NSX rotor. You know, nice. What do we have back here? The EPS module is back there, along with some other wires and shit. Come with me. Oh yeah. So if anybody is wanting to put in a larger seat, these are the Sparco QRT Evo XLs, mounted with the PCI non-adjustable mount seat rails. One, because the seat is fucking actually kind of tall, so you kind of want that factor of it being as low as possible. But that also gives you, because that one over there has the buddy club. I tried to fit the buddy club on this one over on that side. It really didn't work out too well, because with the driver's seat you kind of want some adjustability. So that one has the buddy club rails over there. This one has a PCI non-adjustable. This one is on the wide rail. I mean, the narrow and the wide, I mean, like, they're both the same thing. You just flip the bracket the opposite way, and that's it for that. Got the serial 9 shifter. Yeah, that's a beauty right there. And like I said, I gotta vacuum these carpets. Don't judge me. What is that? The fuse box is right there. It does kind of eliminate some of the foot space, but the passenger really didn't have that much to begin with, so I'm really not complaining because I don't sit on the side, so I really don't give a shit. Most of my passengers are all like about 4 inches shorter than me, so that won't be a problem necessarily. I want to change this out, probably to an AP2. Yeah, maybe an AP2 one. I'm not sure. Really doesn't matter. Doesn't bother me. Be making enough power, so if I just keep adding weight, I really don't care. EVS roll bar is installed along with their little box thingy. And so I got the EVS roll bar installed. I also have these Science of Speed fuel line, not fuel wire kit going on in the back there. I know people have some issues with the wirings and shit like that, so when we run into it, we run into that issue. I think I showed you all the surge tank, the radium surge tank. 8 AN feed, -6 return. I also got the AN adapter fittings for the OEM fuel tank. So all my lines are all AN. My brake lines, I gotta show you all that. So I got rid of all the old hard lines because those were rusted and corroded. And I now have all -3 AN brake lines. So all that's that. Got the HKS high power single 3-inch. You know, gotta do the 3. And I'm gonna show you guys underneath. So before we head too far, I don't know if you all can see it, but that there is the Ford 8.8 differential with the 5.9 drive, the axles from Drive Shaft Shop. So I don't know if you can see all. And then it's the inline pro kit that is actually holding that diff in. Yeah, that's a beaut. It's a beaut. Don't mind my rotors. Like I said, this car has been down for 3 years. Do not mind my rotors. So, like I was saying, the evap system, which you can see all of this, has to be plugged. I need to actually put a filter on this, that way, because this is all the fresh air going to the tank. And then there's another hose that has something else. air coming out. Yeah, that's the air coming out. This is the fresh air going in. So I got that one valve part coming from the UK. That'll be here sometime next week or so. Like I said, HKS, I made it all V-band all the way through. Got the fuel filter from Radium. It's a 10 micron, I think, stainless steel one. There, and the CD09. That boy there is glorious. Let's scroll. Let us scroll. Oh yeah, that's for the harness. Anyway, let's scroll. This boy is heavy. This thing here weighs a lot. Especially if you're doing this by yourself. Yeah, you don't want to be doing this shit by yourself. Cause like I said, this shit is heavy. This was dry when I put it in, so I want to say it was at least probably like about 100 pounds. This is definitely a lot beefier than the stock AP1, AP2 transmission. Good upgrade. Heavy as shit though. Heavy as shit. Even though I had a transmission jack, heavy as shit. Yeah. Other than that, boys and girls, that is it. I mean, like I said, it was a full swap. Engine swap, trans swap, and then differential. Also, the draft shaft, that there was not draft shaft shop because they would have took too long to get it. I had a local shop do it for me. It's chromoly. It's a chromoly shaft, and I think they're 1 ton U-joints. Yeah, so I got 1 ton U-joints on those. Don't pay attention to like the fucking brackets and shit that I made, that I put for the harness. I still gotta trim that shit up, but like I said, this is just version 1. I just want to get the shit running. So I just come back down here, trim it all up, and make it paint it all one fucking solid color. So don't mind that. But that differential though is beefy. That shit is beefy. Yeah, it's rusty down here. This car's from the north, so yeah, it's rusty. But that shit is beefy. I'd rather have the beef than the rust. But you put them together and you kind of got a bad time. But we'll work on that. So yeah, other than that, I mean, I got new hubs and bearings, all 4 corners. That's new. Next thing to come, I do want to get a hard top, but I kind of love my soft top. I don't know how that's gonna go. I kind of do, but kind of don't. Don't know how that's going, but we'll see. Hood, I want to get a new carbon fiber hood. I want to get a carbon fiber trunk and a Vortex wing. Swan neck. I'm in love with the swan neck. Only thing is, I don't want to lose my fucking duckbill. Don't want to lose that. Well, not the duckbill, but the OEM spoiler. Don't want to lose that. I mean, this spoiler, the wings work perfectly fine. Works perfectly fine, but I just want the Vortex, I guess, the name. Fuck knows. Or 9 Lives Racing. I think I might roll towards 9 Lives Racing. So we'll see about that. But other than that, you all, that is the update. Stay tuned because the next video I will be going to Jeff Evans to get this tuned. I'm still gotta set up my appointment for that. But still trying to find out why I got so much fuel, like XX fuel, going through the block. So we'll see. But other than that, boys and girls, this has been an update on the 2K24. Bam! See y'all soon on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Please do that. Let me know. Y'all are judge. Let me know what else y'all want to see. What else y'all want me to go more in depth on. So let me the fuck know. And I mean, hey, if you don't let me know, I don't know what to tell you. Bam. All right. Deuces.